Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share your live location using Google Maps. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone or Android. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security, then select Location Services. Now look for Google Maps in the list and make sure it's set to while using the app or always. Also, make sure Precise Location is turned on. Once that is done, open the Google Maps app on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and then select Location Sharing. Here you'll see the option to share your location. Tap New Share and choose how long you want to share it. 1 hour until you turn it off, or customize it for multiple hours. Finally, choose who you want to share it with. You can select someone from the list, send it via text message, email, or even other sharing options available on your device. And that's it. Now you know how to share your live location using Google Maps.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.